Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tally Prime. First, you'll need to download the setup file from the official Tally Solutions website. Make sure your computer runs a 64-bit operating system, as Tally Prime requires it. Once downloaded, simply run the setup file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the software and activate your license using the serial number and activation key provided to you. This gets you ready to begin your accounting journey. Now that Tally Prime is installed, the next crucial step is creating your company. From the gateway of Tally, choose the Create Company option. You'll then enter vital business details such as your company's legal name, full address, and contact information. Remember to accurately set your financial year start date and the date from which you'll begin recording transactions. You can also enable security controls and statutory features like Goods and Services Tax, or GST, at this stage. With your company set up, it's time to manage your financial transactions. First, create all necessary ledgers for accounts like cash, bank, sales, and purchases. Tally Prime offers specialized voucher types for different transactions. Use payment vouchers for outgoing funds, receipt vouchers for incoming funds, and sales or purchase vouchers for goods and services. Journal vouchers are perfect for adjustments or non-cash entries, ensuring every financial activity is precisely recorded. Tally Prime provides a wealth of reports to help you analyze your business performance. Easily generate a balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow reports for a comprehensive financial overview. You can also access detailed reports like the daybook, individual ledger vouchers, and a stock summary for inventory insights. Beyond basic accounting, Tally Prime offers powerful features such as inventory management, payroll processing, multi-currency support, and bank reconciliation to streamline your entire business operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.